Hi, Dayton. My name is Megan, and I'm proud to work at Dayton Metro Library. I want to introduce you to a great library tool, the Home Improvement Reference Center. From the home page, you can click on Your 24/7 branch and access books, movies, or music, or if you need more specialized information for yourself or the kids learning from home, it's all right there at your fingertips. Now, if all this time at home has made you antsy to tackle some home improvement projects, you can get the support you need with a powerful but little known research tool available at your library. It's called Home Improvement Reference Center. Start at DaytonMetroLibrary.org. Scroll down just a little bit to find the boxes that highlight much of our digital collection, and pick the blue box on the right for databases. Once at the database page, you can scroll down through the full alphabetical listing of dozens of resources, or narrow it down to learning and how to. The database you're looking for is Home Improvement Reference Center. We're there, and you'll see the homepage is easy to navigate. It offers categories of some of the most popular topics like plumbing, electrical, decorating, and more. Let's say you want to tackle a bathroom remodel. You can go to the category of remodeling and click on bathrooms. There are so many elements of the bathroom remodel, and you can pick the bullet point that is most helpful to your project. For example, if you're in planning mode, click on Planning and Designing to see all the elements of a potential bathroom remodel, and you can be sure you're prepared. As simple as it is, one of my favorite tools is the search bar. Let's say you want to tackle a big yard project. If I type in garden, it returns almost 25,000 entries. I could click through to see what's there and be inspired, but I'm going to make my search a little more specific by typing in shade plants. With that, it narrows it down to a much more manageable number. And one of the early results is Your Best Yard Yet, a full article with pictures from the most recent edition of This Old House magazine. One of the reasons I like Home Improvement Reference Center is that it gives you access to material you can't get with a basic Google search. So all these magazines, articles, and videos are really helpful, but don't forget to use the search bar to be as specific as you want. I can also type in how to build a raised bed, and it returns some great tutorials with step-by-step instructions. There is so much more available from Home Improvement Reference Center, but this is a great start. So whether you know the project you want to tackle or you're interested in getting inspired, consider starting at your Dayton Metro Library with the Home Improvement Reference Center. Thanks, be well, and enjoy your time at home.